Yo, morning, everyone, morning. Yeah. See if we can go out this morning, go see what we can find for another fishing adventure. Yeah. Actually, I try see if we can go check out a bait spot. I used to go years ago catch bait. Probably about a year or two back. But I absolutely hate catching bait around here. But one thing for sure is that it's probably one of the only places where it's guaranteed that you will find bait. So that is why I'm actually coming here, see if I can find any. But I do not like coming here. The water is nasty. So boy, it's probably the only place I'm sure I will find bait this morning. I go hoping I will find bait, or hoping I will not find no bait, because I don't want to go in that water. I don't want the water touch me any at all. So yeah man, just stay tuned and see if I can find some bait. And once I find some bait, then yeah, time to hit the road. So just stay tuned man. Yeah man, stay tuned. Hartman Adventures at them man. Alright, so baits are here, but I'd have to walk out a little bit and then cast the net. And to be honest with you, I am not doing that. Not doing that this morning. I don't like this water, guys. It's scratch, it's stinky, and I just don't like this water. Every time I come here and catch bait, my skin scratch for like days. If the baits were closer in where I could just stand from inshore and catch them, then that would be fine. But as long as I have to go out in the water a little bit, I'm not going there. This is nasty water. So I kinda got what I was looking for. As I was saying, I was kinda hoping that I wouldn't see any bait, but the baits are there. They're just a little bit further out. I'm not going into that water. I'm going to try one of my other bait spots. Hopefully I can find something there. But this water right here is nasty. Yeah. Yes guys, so I was searching all morning trying to find some nice bait and I could do some live bait fishing. Yeah. Finally reached a seaside. Searching all morning to see if I could find some live bait to do some live bait fishing, but can't find no decent bait. I find a couple shad, but I'm not a big fan of fishing with shad. So I make a decision to just go back home, grab some soldier crab on my way here. So I stop at a reef, probably do 1 to 2 hours in the morning. Yeah. Still pretty early, so plan to do 1 or 2 hours in the early morning, see if any perimeter feed on the reef. And then I not get no hook up, me use the shad them and go further down on the flats. See if I can find a barra or snap or something down there. So yeah man, I just reach out, so stay tuned. I'm going to set up my lines and get them out in the water. In the meantime, go and hit the like button, subscribe button if you're not subscribed as yet, share the video as well, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, I have a permit on. Ooh, ooh, this one is a screamer. Ooh, this one is big. Oh, it's going under my other line. This one is a runner. First permit on. This one is a good permit. Yeah. First permit on. It's been such a long time since I'm catching a permit. This is the first one for this year. Gone permit fishing a couple of times and I didn't find any. Come on. That's a nice permit. See if I can lead him. Wait for the wave. Oh, come on! Oh man! Lost the permit, guys. I lost him. Pull the hook. I pulled the hook. Oh, that was a big permit. Whoa! That was a big permit. That was a very big permit. That was a very big permit, guys. Pull the hook just as I was lifting him out of the water. Just as I was lifting it out of the water, I pulled the hook. I jumped in to catch it, but the tail just barely slipped my hands. Wow, that was a very good permit. Oh, yeah. First permit to catch for the year. First permit to hook up for the year. Get it. First permit to hook up for the year. Alright, I could bait up and see if we can go back out there. Yeah, so just missed that one, guys. Just set up back another line, set up back there, just bait up back the line and set it again. That fish was way bigger than I even thought, because I thought I could leader it out of the water, but it was way bigger than I even thought, because it just ripped out its lip when I tried to leader it out of the water. And it fell back into the water. I grabbed it for a brief moment, like just got my hands on its tails, but fish is so powerful, it just kicked one time and just get way out of my hand. So yeah, I'll wait again and see if I can find one more.